High in orbit, far above the atmosphere, a single geological feature remains clearly visible against the curvature of the Earth. Descending from that global perspective, the coordinates lock on to the American Southwest, specifically the high plateaus of northern Arizona. This is the Grand Canyon. At ground level, the sheer magnitude of the structure dominates the entire horizon. It exists as a planetary-scale scar, an expanse of rock and shadow that challenges the human capacity to perceive distance. To understand its footprint, we trace the river's path across approximately 277 miles of the Arizona landscape. The gap between the rims fluctuates across that distance, reaching a maximum width of 18 miles in specific sections. A vertical drop from the rim to the floor descends more than 6,000 feet into the Earth. Statistically, several canyons around the world are actually longer or deeper than this one. Yet this landscape remains a singular global landmark, defined by the immense physical forces that carved the rock open. The significance of the canyon lies in the convergence of these geological forces, providing a rare look at the mechanisms that shape a planet. These walls are composed of distinct layers, with every colored band representing a specific chapter of history. The rock at the very bottom of the gorge exposes nearly 2 billion years of the planet's past. These horizontal layers formed over eons as ancient oceans deposited sediment that eventually hardened and rose through tectonic shifts. This makes the canyon an open archive, allowing scientists to physically touch the records of Earth's earliest origins. The primary sculptor of this landscape is the Colorado River. This water has been cutting through the plateau for an estimated 5 to 6 million years. The river was aided by wind, relentless rain, and expanding ice, along with the sudden violence of massive flash floods. Erosion worked systematically over millions of years, violently stripping away the heavy stone and continually widening the gap through deep time. The resulting landscape is a physical monument to the collision between fluid weather and solid rock. This landscape supports a complex and active ecosystem, where life has integrated into the harshest geological features. Extreme microclimates exist at different altitudes, ranging from freezing snow on the rim to summer temperatures exceeding 110 degrees at the bottom. Within these varying conditions, more than 90 mammal species and 370 types of birds have found a way to thrive. Specialized wildlife, such as the bighorn sheep, have adapted to navigate the treacherous vertical cliffs that define the park. The sheer depth of the canyon creates a sequence of habitats, supporting diverse biological communities at every elevation. Every year, approximately 5 million people travel from across the globe to visit this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Humans interact with this scale by hiking the trails, rafting the river, or standing on the transparent glass of the 70-foot skywalk. Even today, the river continues its relentless work, steadily pulling grains of sand and sediment into the current. Looking out from the edge provides an encounter with the ongoing power of time, a masterpiece that continues to evolve with every passing second.